Hello everyone, welcome to Trains on Tuesday. I hope you can see my Google Maps here okay. We're going to have a train today, but the fire situation is probably going to dominate what we're talking about today. So here is Kamloops, if you can see my cursor moving around. And over here is where the Tremont Creek fire began. Well, I'm not sure when it began, but anyway, I showed that on my video from the 10th, and that fire Saturday, today's Monday, on Saturday that fire had advanced across to the community of Logan Lake right here and forced an evacuation of the entire town. Yesterday, Sunday the 15th, it forced the evacuation and the shutdown of the Highland Valley copper mine over here. It had also advanced to the point of causing an evacuation of a small community here. And the first parts of Kamloops, I'm going to zoom in on this a bit now. So here, part of Kamloops here is on evacuation alert. Escape routes are closed that way. Closed this way because the first fire that threatened us over here is still burning, and it has reached a point whereby it's threatening that highway. Now we are over in this portion of Kamloops over here. Hopefully you can still see my cursor there. And for us to get out, we are going to be at the back of the queue of about 150,000 people, all trying to get out and go one way. Almost one. There might be other ways, but not too many. For us, we're going to want to go out on the Trans-Canada East, out through this area. And we're going to be at the back of the queue. Now yesterday, Sunday, was a particularly bad day for smoke here in the valley. Not just smoke, but ash coming from this fire back here. I'm not exactly sure where the fire is right now, probably back in here somewhere. But ash was being picked up, carried in the smoke in the upper levels, cooling and falling like rain across the city here. And I'm going to show you some of that. Okay, we're down in the layout room, and here I've a selection of some of the stuff that fell from the sky yesterday. This one here is a twig. You can see by my finger just how big that is. That would have been glowing red hot when it went aloft. This stuff was carried around 15 to 20 miles, I would think. Totally scorched leaves off of trees. Moss that was hanging off of the trees, that's what all of this is. The tip of a tree, the tip of a twig, carried up into the air, carried along for at least 15 miles, and then dropped in my yard. There's buds here off the trees. The yard was covered in this stuff, and other ash too, the ash of grasses and things like that, just all over the place. So, like I say, these would have been red hot, glowing when they went aloft. and as the fire moves closer, there's a chance that they're going to drop on us, still burning, and that's how the fires spread. Anyway, yesterday, Sunday the 14th, was a horrendous day for smoke. We finished the day with sore noses, sore throats, dry mouths, sore eyes, and fearing the worst, to be honest. I spent 4 or 5 hours down here in the layout room last night, packing up things that I thought, yeah, I can't do without that, I can't do without that. Things to take with me when we race away from all this, if it comes to that. I'm still optimistic that it won't come to that, but much of my collection is now in boxes and stored at the front door, ready to be loaded into the truck and go, if there's time. Sometimes the order comes, get out now, and you just grab your keys and go. It's that bad. Anyway, we are going to run a train today, and we're going to call this One Last Train on the Highland Valley Railway, at least for now. I think I may take a break after this one. Anyway, let's get on with running some trains. A train. So here we go. The last train on the Highland Valley Railway. The last one train. As I say, the layout's a bit of a mess right now. Lots of stuff been cleared off. There's nothing left in the station there. All my nice new cars, they're all packed and ready to go. The engine yard contains just one solitary loco. Pretty cheap. Not worth really saving. I have not found the boxes for my A4 and some of the others here. I don't know where the boxes are. I'm still searching for those. Hopefully I can find them and get those put away. Well, there we go, guys. One last train on the Highland Valley Railway for a while. I am optimistic that we'll be okay. But realistically, we could lose all this. It could all just be a pile of ash. In the meantime, keep calm, build model railways. Enjoy your coffee, everyone. I think we'll take a break. I think we'll take a break after this one. Yeah. We'll take a break and just focus on what's more important around here. Okay, that's it. Bye for now.